Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. I'm Andy, and we're out here in the garage, and we're going to do some work on the Model A. We're going to try to get this fender, we're going to try to get this quarter panel that's on here that my buddy tried straightening it out, and I've done a little work to it. This was crashed. I do have that other quarter panel, but the patch panels are still on back order, so this is already attached to the car, just tacked on. I'm just going to keep going with this, and I'm going to I got to do a couple relief cuts and fill in a few places, get a little sheet metal here and there, and just see if we can make this one work. Yeah, we're going to see if we can make this one work. It's still, this puppy still opens, closes. It needs work, but haven't been welding in a while, so I want to get some welding done today. We'll try to get this back half. I got to do another cut on here, and so I can push this down. I can show you here. So yeah, so we're going to cut here where I cut it before because it was creased. I'm going to cut that so we can push this all down into the well of the trunk, and then we can weld that all, tack that all in, as well as build up a piece to go here. I know it's not matching, but it's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. That is okay. I made it too darker. So yeah, so that's the plan. I'm going to mess with this quarter panel, and I will take you along, and we'll just start playing. Alright. Alright. So I think maybe you can see me a little bit better there. Maybe not. Maybe it's down too far right now. So Lisa got me a new welding helmet for Christmas. Finally going to get to use it. Like I said, I haven't been welding very much. This old hot rod sticker. Thanks, Mike, from This Old Hot Rod. Check out his channel. Great channel. Great guy. Again, This Old Hot Rod sticker. Not sponsored or anything by anybody. Just love his sticker and his channel. So, like I said, check him out. Mike from This Old Hot Rod. Haven't got my stickers made yet, so mine will go on the other side probably. But yeah, we're going to do some cutting. try doing a little welding here. Hopefully this works. Oh, take this off, grind onto weld. Grab onto that. Whew. Tell you what, this place heats up pretty good now. I think I'm just going to make a panel, a patch, right straight down. That's ugly. All right. So here's some of what I did. Like I said, I'm going to put a new patch panel in here and just patch that up. It's all attached on the inside of the lip. I don't think you can see it. It's too dark. And then this is attached, but it's pretty ugly right there. And I warped the panel a little bit because I did too many welds. Amateur mistake. Alright, so my batteries died on my camera, so I didn't film the ending that I thought I did, so I'm doing it now. It's a few days later. I got the panel welded on a lot better than it was. It still needs a lot of work and it's pretty ugly, but I'll be continuing on with it. So yeah, it's on there. It's on there. So it's not a show car, it's a race car. So that's that. So thank you for tuning in. I appreciate everybody out there watching my videos. Hope you're enjoying it. Please leave me a comment. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button and the little bell. It helps me out tremendously. And that's all we got for this one. Peace and keep on tinkering.